All right, now you should be seeing my screen. So what we're going to go over is butterfly marketing with GrooveFunnels. Now, butterfly marketing is what I did $1 million in one day with back in 2006. It was the second $1 million launch in the history of marketing. And it was a concept that was revolutionary. And it was a software platform that unfortunately you had to install on your own servers, and it just didn't grow with the needs of the market with things like WordPress and all the different technologies that came out. But the concepts were great, and it did wonders for me and for many people that used it. But because it didn't stay up with the new changes in technology, it's been gone for about 14 years. And now I'm proud to bring it back because GrooveFunnels is the only platform that actually does this technology. So let's take a look at what butterfly marketing actually does. All right, so first thing is it focuses on viral growth and viral traffic. And how it does that is first you give away a free product, but there's a key thing I'm going to show you when you capture their name and email address that makes it crucial. There's no platform in the world that does that. Next, you need to upsell a quality offer, or perhaps even do multiple upsells or downsells with one-click upsells. Then, while that's happening, you also need to make the customer an instant affiliate so that they don't have to sign up for your affiliate program. This is crucial. Next, you need to have pre-made promotional tools, and at least 10 of them with their affiliate link baked in so that they can instantly start promoting for you. Then you need to have a mechanism to increase the upsell conversion with what's called a second chance or a mop-up offer. Then it's wash, rinse, and repeat. And you will find out that you can use this to create huge daily passive income, all while building a huge email marketing list. Now, I used this strategy to become the #1 marketer in the world. I had the largest email list in the world. I won Nissan GTRs. I won Hummers, I won trips around the world, zero gravity flights. I won a Corvette Z06. It's just amazing what this can do for you. On top of that, like I said, it creates massive daily passive income, which made me a millionaire. So does it work? Hell yeah. These concepts are timeless. They worked back then, and they work even better today with GrooveFunnels. In fact, we are using them right now to make over $100,000 US each and every single day using the same exact method. So let's talk about what tools you must have in order to make this work. Well, first you need the concepts and the training. I'm actually going to show you that today. Then you need the tools, and you need the technology, and you need the pages and funnels. All right, so now only GrooveFunnels has all of this, and now I'm going to show you the process. So pay close attention. Okay, so what you're seeing right now is my iPad. And I'm going to go over this little process map that I made here. I can pinch and I can zoom and we can go over all of this stuff. Now, I pre-made this. I drew this out. I was thinking maybe I would go and just do this with you live, but actually drawing this out would have taken a little bit too much time for me to be explaining and drawing at the same time. So what I did is I drew out the concepts first, and then what we're going to do is go over this. So basically what you're looking at right here, this section right here, is actually the first landing page that people will see. So you're going to be giving away a free offer. And when you do that, let's zoom in and see what this says right here. It says that #1, it needs to be high value, okay? It should hurt to give it away, okay? People should think that you're crazy or think, what's the catch, okay? So that's the important thing. You have to give away something that you would normally sell, something that people would be willing to spend $25, $50, or even $100 for, and give it away for free. Okay, that's the important thing. All right, next on this page right here, you're seeing that we asked for them to create a password. This is something that only can be done in GrooveFunnels. All right, so what you're seeing right here is that we're making that person a member. This is important because that helps you build a massive list, and you can make some huge affiliate income with that. Okay. Also, with the password, you're seeing that we can also make the people an instant affiliate. So that's also important. You don't have to later ask them to sign up for your affiliate program. All right. So once that's done, as soon as they enter their name and their email address and they hit the submit button, they then go over to this section right here, and this is your upsell. And you want this to not just be an upsell, you want it to be a one-time offer. And I abbreviate that as an OTO. All right. And in order to do that, you need to follow some different things here and say it's a one-time offer. You need to have a countdown timer. You need some good sales copy. And you need to talk about your product. And of course, your product, let's zoom in here and let's talk about the product. Well, first, it should be related to the free offer. So it should be congruent with what you're giving away, maybe more or better of the same type of concept. It should be very high in value, and it should be offered at a crazy low one-time price. Okay, so that means if you're selling something normally for $197, you might want to sell it one time for $37. If it's normally $997, you want to sell it one time for $97 or $997. It has to be a very crazy one-time offer that makes people go crazy. And you match that up here. Let's just get rid of that stuff there. Okay, so you match all of that stuff up here with a one-click upsell, and that is going to increase your conversions because people gave you the first, what we call the shy yes. They said that they're interested in your main original product, and now you have something that is similar but better at an incredible value. And if they don't like it, what you then do is you give them, if they click the no thanks link, you give them a downsell, which is maybe not this product here, but only this product and an even lower price. Okay, either way, the next thing that happens then is they end up inside of your members area. So let me zoom out here. Okay, so they started off with the free offer. They saw your upsell and then your downsell, and whether they bought or not, all members now end up inside of the members area, and now they're logged in. Okay, and what they're greeted with here is a video of you. So let's zoom in and see what you're supposed to say here in this video. Well, number one, you explain how they can download the product. Number two, you explain that you just made them an instant affiliate. Number three, you explain that their affiliate link is right underneath the video right here with their unique affiliate ID already baked in. Okay, next, you do the math and you tell them how much money they can make by promoting if they send you 10 people or 50 people or 100 people or 1,000 people or 10,000 people over time. Then you tell them to do all of the different steps in the promotion tools. We'll talk about that in just a minute. You explain how their affiliate income will go up if they upgrade to Pro. We'll talk about that in a minute. And then that also encourages them to buy the upsell one more time, which increases your sales, and then it all goes viral. So let's look at the rest of the page. Let's zoom out here. Let's get rid of those little dots there. Okay, as you see here, this is them in the members area. They're greeted with a video of you. This is exactly what I actually do in GrooveFunnels when you get our product for free. Next, we have promotional tools. So we don't just give them their affiliate link, but we also give them pre-written email swipes, a pre-written blog review that they could post on their blog. We give them articles that they can post, press releases, social sharing on Facebook, you name it. We give them all the different tools, and then we tell them to check off every single one of those things. We also let them know that we pay their commissions weekly, which is very easy to do with GrooveFunnels. All of these tools already have their name and their affiliate link already baked into all of the tools, so they can just copy and paste without having to do anything, which is, again, very crucial. No other software platform in the world does this. Okay, and here is where they download their products. So this would be where they would get the free item. And then if they purchase the upsell or the downsell, this would automatically dynamically show here where they could get those products. But notice, if they're a free user, you keep their affiliate commission lower to like 20 or 25%. And if they're a paid upgraded member, you can upgrade their commissions to say 40 or even 75%. Now, as you see here, it says this will encourage more upgrades, and it will make people want to use all of the promotion tools, which help make it go viral. So just telling them that they make more money in their affiliate commissions also will allow them to decide to go back and purchase this. You can put a buy button right here that says upgrade if they haven't upgraded. Instead of it saying download, you can have it say upgrade. And it's one more chance to get them to buy your product. So this increases sales because people say, well, heck, I want to go out and I want to promote this with this affiliate link right here. But they say, you know what, if I'm going to actually promote something, I want to get the higher commission rather than the lower commission. All right, so it doesn't stop there. Once they take that link right here, you see right here, it goes like this, okay? And then they are then sending you new people into this funnel, this viral funnel. And this is where we said wash, rinse, repeat, okay? So these next users right here, this guy, he comes in or she comes in and does the same process all over again. They enter their name and email address, they create an account, they build your list, they see the one-time offer, they see all the reasons why they should buy it. There's a one-click upsell, or maybe they take the downsell. Or if they don't or do, they end up into this members area, see the video, get all the tools, upsell again if they haven't, and then that person now sends you more people. And that's why we have become the fastest growing marketing funnel and landing page builder on the planet. We give away stuff for free that is just quality. And of course, there's other things that people may want, and we have a very special offer for people. So on top of this, we also give you all of these tools and technology to do this, as well as the templates that handle all of this stuff are all included in the funnel packs with GrooveFunnels. So that's it. I'm going to just delete these last little things so that we have this still here intact. And I'm going to stop sharing my screen now and head back over to the camera. Stand by.